two giants of product analytics, Amplitude and Heap Analytics, standing toe-to-toe, deep insights, or effortless tracking. Which one really delivers? On the left, Amplitude, known for deep behavioral insights for growth, and on the right, Heap Analytics, promising effortless, automatic user tracking. Let's skip the buzzwords and dig into what actually matters. Each key category scores points, so by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. And trust me, the result might surprise you.
Quick peek at our roadmap for this showdown. We're going to compare these two on data collection and tracking, analytics depth and features, setup and ease of use, pricing and scalability, and finally, integration and ecosystem. Sound like a plan? Okay, let's roll. First up, data collection and tracking. So Amplitude is super flexible here. It's got both auto capture and manual event tracking, which means you can go as deep or as basic as you want. You have that tight control, but honestly, you'll need to set up each new event ahead of time. Heap, though, oh, this is cool. Heap just tracks literally every user interaction automatically, right out of the box. Plus, you can go back and define events retroactively. It's a total game changer for teams who want to stay agile. Of course, it is kind of locked into auto capture, so super custom event logic is off the table. Still, for most people, Heap's effortless tracking steals the scene here. Diving into analytics depth and features, Amplitude is basically the power user's playground. You get behavioral cohorts, journey mapping tools like Compass and Pathfinder, advanced retention stuff, and even native A/B testing. The trade-off? That interface is kinda wild. So expect a steeper learning curve. Heap keeps things way simpler and faster with journey reconstruction and quick insights. But honestly, if you need advanced experiments or want buttoned-up data governance, Heap just isn't as robust. This round, Amplitude is looking pretty unbeatable. All right, next category, setup and ease of use. Amplitude guides you through setup if your team's advanced, but I'll be real, it takes some serious engineering muscle up front. Heap, though, no code. You basically sign up, install, and you're good to go, even if you're not technical at all. Super friendly for marketers, designers, or anyone who just wants those insights without the headache. So, ease of use, Heap walks away with a win. Oh, and here's something cool that you might not know. Heap's retroactive analytics means you can define a new event today and instantly see all past data for it, even if you weren't tracking it before. Seriously, it feels like you've got a time machine for your product data. Moving on. Pricing and scalability. Amplitude's pricing is surprisingly transparent, starting around $49 a month, and it scales based on actual tracked users. Free session replays too, which is pretty nice. But if you want those enterprise bells and whistles, yeah, costs can spike. Heap, meanwhile, is easy to jump into and has custom quote-based plans. But here's the catch. Pricing scales with data volume and sessions, so things can get real expensive real fast, especially for heavy traffic sites. For everything considered, Amplitude wins on value for growing teams. Last round, integration and ecosystem. Amplitude's got serious connectivity here, integrating with tons of other tools, letting you run personalized campaigns and dig deep into analytics. Strong export options, too. Heap does connect with marketing and analytics platforms, so you won't be stranded. But honestly, Amplitude's ecosystem is just more unified, while Heap's tools feel a bit separated. Integration winner, Amplitude. Let's zoom out for a sec and visualize what's happening. On our radar chart, you can see Heap leads when it comes to effortless data tracking and setup. Really, no code, no fuss. Amplitude pretty much dominates the rest. Analytics firepower, integrations, scalable pricing. Makes you think, right? So, wrapping it up, if you're all about custom, deep dive analytics and running experiments, Amplitude is the way to go. Heap is awesome if you need a fast, easy setup and love being able to retroactively analyze user behavior. Product teams with big ambitions usually stick with Amplitude, while marketing and UX teams rave about Heap's simplicity. Found this breakdown helpful? I've got more expert comparisons lined up. Don't miss out. Stay tuned if you want to keep getting the inside scoop.